share some fascinating and amazing information about asteroids. World Asteroid Day is a global observance held on June 28 each year to raise awareness about asteroids and their potential impact on Earth. It serves as a reminder of the importance of understanding and monitoring these celestial objects to protect our planet and future generations. The initiative for World Asteroid Day was launched in 2014 by a group of renowned scientists, astronauts, and enthusiasts, including astrophysicists. Several organizations such as the B612 Foundation, the International Astronomical Union, and the United Nations Office of Outer Space Affairs actively support and promote World Asteroid Day. Now I welcome my friends to.
My name is Sen, is the largest asteroid to be discovered, but now I am classified as a dwarf planet. My true self has been uncovered. I am the largest known object in the asteroid belt. Yes, it's true. I have a thin atmosphere that could contain water vapor from my surface too.
My name is Vishal, one of the 5 asteroids news. I have a unique surface like a terrestrial world. Long ago, my surface used to be so active and covered with the lava flows.
Hello, I am the asteroid Hygiene, but scientists discovered that I'm round, which means I finally qualify and I'm a dwarf planet's candidate now. With a diameter of 434 kilometers and mass estimated to be 3% of the total mass of the planet, I'm conjectured to have been disrupted by the impact.
Between Mars and Jupiter there is a large void, an area to study that astronomers enjoy, a gap with a ring made up of millions of planetoids, or also known as a belt of asteroids, hurtling through space in their orbit around the Sun. These large irregularly shaped rocks are a lot of fun. Let's go out and find some and see who we can meet.
Let's go meet the asteroids. They're only shaped rocks, they're not spheroids. Careening through space in an expansive void. Most of them won't hit us, so don't be paranoid. Let's go meet the asteroids. Let's go meet the 5 largest known